Hello everyone, this is Abhishek and today we are going to discuss about logical equivalence. Logical equivalence is a fundamental concept in logic and computer science. It deals with the equivalence of logical expressions, meaning they have the same truth values under all possible truth assignments. The commutative law states that the order or operands in a logical operation does not affect the result. For example, P and Q is equivalent to Q and P. Conjunction P and Q is logically equivalent to Q and P. Distinction P or Q is logically equivalent to Q or P. The associative law. The associative law states that the grouping of operands in a logical operation does not affect the results. For example, P and Q and R is equivalent to P and Q and R. Conjunction P and Q and R is logically equivalent to P and Q and R. Disjunction P or Q or R is logically equivalent to P or Q or R. The distributor law. Distributor law states that a conjunction distributes over disjunction and vice versa. For example, P and Q or R is equivalent to P and Q or P and R. Conjunction over disjunction. P and Q or R is logically equivalent to P and Q or P and R. Disjunction and over conjunction. P or Q and R is logically equivalent to P or Q and P or Q. The identity law. The identity law states that there exists an identity element for both conjunction and disjunction. For conjunction, the identity element is true, and for disjunction, it's false. Conjunction P and true is logically equivalent to P. P or false is logically equivalent to P. The complement law. The complement law states that for every proposition, there exists a complement that negates its truth value. The complement of P is denoted uh, as inverse P. Negation of conjunction. Inverse P and Q is logically equivalent to inverse P and inverse Q. Negation of disconjunction. Negation P or Q is logically equivalent to negation P and negation Q. The important law. The important law states that applying a logical operation to the same operand twice has the same effect as applying it once. For example, P and Q is equivalent to P. Conjunction P and Q is logically equivalent to P. Disconjunction P or Q is logically equivalent to P. The involution law. The involution law states that the negation of proposition twice returns the original proposition. For example, double negation P is equivalent to P negation. Double negation P is logically equivalent to P. The observation law. The observation law states that the proposition and its conjunction with other proposition are equivalent. For example, P and Q is equivalent to P. Conjunction observation. P and P or Q is logically equivalent to P. Disconjunction observation. P and Q is logically equivalent to P. Conclusion and key takeaways. This law of logical equivalence are essential tools for simplifying and manipulating logical expressions. They provide a foundation for understanding the relationship between proposition and the equivalence of logical statements. Simplification. Logical equivalence allows us to simplify complex logical expressions and make them easier to understand and analyze. Verification. We can use logical equivalence to verify the correctness of logical circuit and system. Proof. Logical equivalence plays a crucial role in formal proof, allowing us to derive new truths from existing ones. Thank you.